Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, in this episode, we will be learning about a vulnerability called DMARC misconfiguration. So, DMARC is used to prevent attackers from spoofing company emails and send fake emails using the company email to multiple users or any other person. So, basically, if DMARC is misconfigured or not present in the web application or not configured properly, uh, this vulnerability is present. So to check this vulnerability, we have to move to a site called MX Toolbox, and it has the DMARC check tool. So you can check the DMARC records of each and every target you hunt on directly here. So this vulnerability roughly takes 10 to 15 seconds to just check and report. So you have to check this DMARC record on the main domain only, not on subdomains. So just type your target name and hit DMARC lookup. So as we can see, the DMARC record for this target is not present. So this is vulnerable to email spoofing. And you can directly report this to your target, and most probably they will be uh, covering this under B4 category. But yeah, it's okay because it takes very minimal time. And moreover, if for some reason this shows that DMARC record is found or it is configured properly, so you can do one thing. You can you can search any email spoofing website from on the internet, and you can try spoofing the email and send a mail to yourself. If it hits the inbox, then you are good to go and you should report it. Or even if it hits junk folder, you can report it, and many programs will accept that as well. But some of them won't accept, as it will be hitting junk folder. So many of the many not many some of the targets will not accept is a vulnerability, but still you should report it. And to be precise about what I'm talking, this was a website where the email spoofing facility was present, but it is down for some reason. You can find other alternatives as well. I won't show them in this video, but yeah, there are multiple alternatives. Basically, if there's no record here, then you should go and try spoofing the email. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Uh, I hope I see you in the next video, and if you have any questions regarding our videos or you have any doubt, just let us know in the comment section. We will be happy to help you. And if you like our content, just share our channel and do subscribe it as well. More videos coming soon. Bye bye.